How to change SIM on your iPhone 14. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change SIM on your iPhone 14. So, to change the SIM on your iPhone 14, you'll need basically two things. The first one is a physical SIM and the second one is a SIM ejector. Now you can find the SIM ejector on the box your iPhone 14 came with. Now this method is applicable for all iPhone 14 such as the iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now whichever iPhone you have, all you have to do is simply take it over here, and if you have a case, simply remove it. Now as soon as you remove the case, you will see this type of box on the side of your iPhone. So all you have to do is take your SIM ejector and then insert it in this hole right over here. Now once you've done that, the SIM tray will pop up where you'll have to simply slide it out. Now simply take this card out and then take the other card which you want to change. For now it'll be this card right over here. So simply add this over here, and now all you have to do is simply slide this tray back in, and there you have it. So that is basically how you change SIM on your iPhone 14. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.